How to use YouTube Shorts Analytics for growth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily use your YouTube Shorts Analytics to grow your channel. First thing you need to do is access your YouTube Analytics. For that, you're going to have to download YouTube Studio on your device. I already have it, so I'll just open up YouTube Studio. Make sure you're logged into your account. And once you open it up, you can find the Analytics tab at the bottom. Just tap on it. And once you land on the Analytics page, you can have different metrics. So the very important key metrics you need to know about are views and watch time. Then you have your subscriber counts. You also have average view duration. Also your traffic resources. So on views and watch time, it shows how many people are watching your shorts and for how long. Then you have average view duration. It tells if viewers watch till the end or drop off early as well. And then from there, you can easily see your engagement metrics as well, like your likes, comments, and shares. Higher engagement signals YouTube to push your shorts to more viewers. Then you also have your real-time subscriber gain, and it's going to be here as well. So you can study these patterns and improve your content accordingly. Then you should be able to grow your YouTube channel in no time. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.